Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the SumoSprings Solo Custom Helper Springs. These are going to help improve your driver control and comfort by upgrading the front suspension for your 2020 and newer Chevrolet Silverado 4500, 5500, and 6500 with either the two-wheel drive or the four-wheel drive. This is going to help support heavy front loads like your snow plows, cargo carriers with dirt bikes or generators, or really just about anything that could be adding extra weight to the front of your Silverado. This is going to help support that weight to help keep your Silverado level. This will also help to absorb bumps and shocks and minimize your sway. So when you hear front suspension help, you're oftentimes thinking about airbags. These are obviously not airbags. These are microcellular urethane. So unlike your airbags, these are going to be maintenance free. You're not going to have to worry about monitoring your air pressure and adjusting your air pressure. These are kind of just a set it and forget it. Once you get them installed, they are going to have a progressive load control. So the springs will compress according to the weight of your cargo. So for your lighter loads, it's going to compress easily at first for soft engagement and a less bumpy ride. And then the heavier loads, it's going to compress by as much as 80% to help support that heavier load. This does have a weight capacity of 2,800 pounds. When you hear that, it's oftentimes easy to think that that's going to increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity by 2,800 pounds, and that's not the case. There's no suspension system out there, suspension helper system out there that's going to increase your load carrying capacity just because your suspension is just one component in your truck's overall makeup. So think of it less like a second set of hands that's helping you lift more weight. Think of it more like a back brace that's there to just kind of help support the suspension system that's already there. Just kind of take some of that burden off of it, make sure that it's taking less wear over the long run so that it will last longer for you. Now these are going to be very easy to get installed. It's a no drill installation. So again, unlike your airbags where you have to run tubing and it's pretty complex, this is a very simple process. They do include instructions with graphics there to walk you through every step of the installation process. So very easy to do. Definitely something you can do on your own in your garage over the weekend or something like that. These do work independently from each other. You can see we do have the two springs, one for each side. That's going to help compensate for your off-center loads and to help reduce your body roll during sharp turns. Because these do have a minimal lateral expansion, the springs are going to expand and compress vertically instead of out to the sides, so they aren't going to be damaged when operating in tight spaces. So again, another benefit over some of your other airbags, which tend to kind of pancake out, that can cause damage. These are going to be a nice vertical option for you. You are going to get these two jounce style springs and all the necessary hardware that you're going to need to get it installed. These springs are extremely durable. They're going to work in temperatures from -25 degrees Fahrenheit up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They're going to resist damage caused by oils, road salts, and UV rays. They are made here in the USA, so you can trust they're made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. And they do come with a limited lifetime warranty, so if you were to have any problems with them, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at etrailer.com. We're always happy to work with our customers to make sure you're getting good quality products and having a good experience. So overall, I think these are going to be a great option to help support your suspension system in the front of your Silverado. The one downside to these over your airbags, with the airbags you do have a little bit more adjustability, so you can add more pressure to it if you're wanting to give a stiffer, firmer ride. With these, they're kind of just, like I said, set it and forget it, so you don't have that so much adjustability like you do with the airbags. So definitely for those of you who like having little maintenance, want to just put it in there, have that extra support without having to air up your bags. That's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.